If you clean large areas and tight spaces, this adjustable brush broom is a game changer. Setup is fast. Simply screw and attach the handle sections, twist to lock, and adjust the height to fit you. Then just slide the side locks to change the brush width. No tools, done in seconds. With the head fully extended, you get 18.5 inches of coverage. This is perfect for driveways, garage floors, patios, and decks. Fold one side in, and it's ideal for edges. Clean along walls, baseboards, and corners with better control without losing sweeping power. Now fold both sides, and the head shrinks to 10.5 inches. Perfect for narrow gaps between furniture, tight corners, or even gutters and drains. The stainless steel handle extends to 57 inches, so you can sweep standing upright without straining your back. The angled head makes scrubbing easier. And when you're done, it folds down small for easy storage. One broom, 3 adjustable modes, built to clean smarter, not harder.